It will be helpful for us, please. Yeah, definitely. I'll share, no issue. Yeah. Did you share that log file as well yesterday? I mean sharing. I'm assuming when you say share, it's going to be there. Yeah, Vinay. Today definitely I'll share the logs in this file, the code. I'll share, okay. So this is only responsible for creation. So this is how the creation is going to happen. Okay, if you are not going to utilize these things in Active Directory also, if it is Active Directory or any other application without provisioning also, just try to submit access request. What will happen? So try to check the logs. You'll come to know. Okay. Okay. So from tomorrow we'll pick from this one. Identity request, approve and provision. These are the steps we'll follow. Okay. So far, initialize is there. So it is responsible to create provisioning plan because you are going to deal with out-of-the-box or customized one provisioning plan for each and everything. This provisioning plan is the base. Using this provisioning plan, you are going to capture the detail. So it's a big one. Okay, we'll talk about tomorrow. No issue. Thank you all.